What's up guys, Om here from iTech Everything and welcome to this new video. So today we are going to be unboxing the iPhone SE 2 and yeah, keeping the pandemic in mind, let's wash our hands first, sanitize the iPhone box and then let's get started with this unboxing. Okay, so actually this video is from 27th August, about a month ago from today. It's 25th September as I record the voiceover. But yeah, I've been inactive for quite some time now, but yeah, I'm finally back to YouTube. And as you can see, Apple has done a pretty good job even in their mid-range smartphones. Unlike many other Android manufacturers, Apple is the only one which provides the same type of packaging in the flagship range as their mid-range, or yeah, the mid-range. Yeah, for $400 you get the same $1,000 packaging, or rather at least the $800 packaging with the iPhone 8. It's quite the same design, not gonna lie. Yeah, it has big bezels. So yeah, designed by Apple in California, as always, not assembled in India, but assembled in China, of course. Yeah, here's the smartphone. And as you can see, it looks pretty good until the display is turned on, of course. I didn't want to say that, but yeah. The Apple logo is centered and it's like an iPhone 8 with a center Apple logo and black front with the back being white. Yeah, that's a pretty good touch which many people liked, not necessarily me, who's a fan of it. And yeah, here we have probably the last charger I see on an iPhone box or inside an iPhone box, and even same with the earpods. Here's the charging cable. I really need those. Gonna break quickly, to say the least. And here's the smartphone. You can admire the design and the unboxing sound. I'm not gonna disturb that for you, of course. Okay, so after we're done with the peeling of the plastic, that's pretty satisfying, not gonna lie. But yeah, here's the phone. It looks like the iPhone 8, but quite honestly, for $400 you're getting one of the most premium feels of a smartphone for that price. Of course, even the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, not the Ultra, of course, that doesn't have glass in it. It's a plastic phone. This is a glass phone. It's premium. It's more premium, of course. It does feel different to hold in the hand compared to other $400 phones. They aren't the best to hold in the hand, to be quite honest. And this phone is actually for my mom, who's upgrading from an iPhone 6s. And you would say that why such an upgrade? It's because the iPhone 6s had 73% of battery capacity, and now you're gonna say, okay, the iPhone SE 2 doesn't have good battery life. Okay, yeah, I agree, it doesn't, but it's at least better than the iPhone 6s, isn't it? So yeah, I've gone for that upgrade for now. This is gonna be a temporary smartphone, then I'm gonna upgrade to the iPhone 12. But yeah, that video is like a video saved for later. But yeah, I told you why exactly I bought it. But yeah, you can see that this phone looks pretty good. Apart from the bezels, I don't think there's anything you would want to complain. Probably the best camera at this price range you could find on a smartphone with the A13 Bionic. It is the fastest smartphone processor in the world right now. And yeah, I'm gonna compare it with the iPhone XR soon. And I'm gonna probably have the A14 coming up, but yeah, not the best comparison to do because this just has 3 gigs of RAM, and comparing it to the iPhone 12 with more, I don't think that makes sense. But yeah, this was a rather quick video, not much to say, but yeah, definitely consider subscribing to my channel. We are really close to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace.